We got a 2019 Mustang GT Fastback 5.0 V8. I had to rent this thing for the day. It's been a blast so far. Guess I always just wanted to drive a V8 Mustang, and even though this thing is automatic, as you guys can see, it is still a blast. It's got the paddle shifters, 10-speed transmission, sport mode. It's pretty quick, I'm not gonna lie. I think it makes like 400 and I think it's like 460 or 480 horsepower. So this thing's been an absolute blast. We're gonna cruise around today, get some clips, just enjoy it. Tell you, for a Mustang and for a big muscle car, the state definitely did a very good job with improving the handling and everything. Like, this thing feels like a, I don't know, it just hugs the road really, really well, guys. Feels like a little go-kart, honestly. It feels like a four-banger. So agile for a big V8. I love it. So if you want a car that has just instant power and really good acceleration, I mean, you can't really go wrong with a Mustang or a V8 in general, guys. Like, the power demand, it's there all the time. Even in regular, I'm in drive right now, I can stomp on this gas pedal and I'm moving and I'm accelerating extremely quick. Now, with a V8, obviously comes a, comes a price. You're spending a lot more in fuel. You're probably going to have more expensive maintenance. It's a bigger engine. You have more spark plugs. You have just, all in all, it's a bigger engine. So things are going to be probably more expensive. One of my dream Mustangs is a GT350. I think it's a GT350R. They have like a Honda Redline. They're absolutely ridiculous. So I do actually have a love for Mustangs. If any of you guys didn't really know that, I have a love for a lot of cars. But this thing is super comfortable. The performance is there. Even in an automatic package, guys, I still believe you get a good bang for the buck. I think the owner said he paid like, I think 40 grand for this thing, new. So that's really not that bad, honestly. 40 grand for luxury, performance, limitless potential, because these things you can, you guys can mod these things like crazy. All right, we're going with sport mode. Hopefully. Got to be careful on these back roads. Like, probably a lot of people walking and stuff. I don't really like messing around on back roads anymore, guys. Especially now that I have my CDL and stuff, and just kind of at the point where it's like, okay, I did it before, and it's, you don't really have the thrill to do it anymore. But in this instance, I do want to show you guys the handling and the acceleration, and I'll do a highway pull for you guys too. A lot of torque. hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it. This car is dope. It sucks I don't only have it for the rest of today. But anyways, be sure to give me a like, drop all your love down below, and subscribe for more content. Drop a comment down below if you have a Mustang. Comment down below if you're a Mustang owner. I see why a lot of you guys drive these things. They're super fun. You saw how quick it accelerates. You get in trouble with this thing very easily. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, this thing's a beast. I'm definitely gonna rent this car again. I've been having a really good time in it. It's good to have change every once in a while. You know, like I come home, kind of have the same routine and stuff, drive the same car. So I wanted to switch it up one week, and I'm like, you know what? Why not just do this? So it's still fun. It's still just a car at the end of the day, guys. No, it's not going to make you happier and stuff, but it's fun in the moment. Like if I were to go out and buy one of these, like I feel like my love for it would just slowly decrease after like a week. You just get used to it and stuff. Like this thing is awesome, but like I already know what it can do, and I know how much fuel it's going to use, and that it is what it is. But anyways, I'm going to relax for the rest of my day. You know, lay low. I gotta go grab some breakfast here. I didn't even eat yet, and probably just enjoy the rest of the day with this beast. So I will see you all in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.